communicate. And those distinctions are direct and indirect style. Those who communicate directly are people from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, Scandinavia, Baltics, and Russia, Russia proper. Actually, I was born in the South, so I'm more from high context culture. And the rest of the world is high context culture, which means people from USA, for example, they basically communicate directly. They say what they mean what they say, for the most part. For the most part. You know, there's a degree. When people from the other part of the world, it's not only the words that are important, and nonverbals as well. The tone of voice, the hierarchy, who they are talking to, the body language is important. But keep in mind that body language across the world is different too, right? So here are some tips. When you communicate to cultures, oh, it didn't get me to that page. When you communicate to the cultures, low context cultures, which is United States, I just use one country at this point, get to the point quickly. Be more direct in communication. Use data to support your messages. Don't take criticism or refusal personally. And you know, regardless what culture we're from, we women, there are many women here, tend to take things personal. Right? So don't do that, sleeves. And try to be more direct. Women are more indirect too, because we have to remember that men and women, these are two different cultures, right? When you think about it. So people from high context cultures, when you communicate with people from high context cultures, pay more attention to context. Watch for the body language, but keep in mind that body language can be different across the world. For example, standing like this in some parts of India communicates respect. What does it communicate in the United States? Impatience. Close, impatience, defiance, right? But it actually can communicate respect when you're listening to someone in some parts of India. India is very diverse. Then smile. Seems that everybody smiles, it means the same thing. Smile is a standard greeting in the United States. But if you try smile, the American smile in the British Islands, it'll fall flat. It's just different kind of smile, right? And if you try to smile somewhere in other parts of the world, especially if you're a woman, and especially a blonde, to a man, you'll be in trouble. Right? So there are so many